This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 7 of building the Infinity Gauntlet from the Infinity Saga. This issue we are, we're doing the palm of the Gauntlet part 3. We've done some work on the palm before. We're going to continue that after looking at Thanos, obviously. He's the man with the man with a hand, man with a gauntlet. That's why the gauntlet's so big to fit him. We've got the other heroes. Trying to take it off him, stop him doing things with it. We know how it works out in the end. Well, you do if you watch the films. Or read the comics even, then you might know something different. I don't know. So yes, we've got a couple of parts, one of which we're going to fit to the palm there with a couple of screws. And that is it. That's the other piece we're keeping aside for later. Yeah, that's that. Won't take long to do the build. The Captain Marvel, the Kree hero. Kree. That's Stargate, isn't it? No, but it's different. There we go. You can read all of that at your leisure if you so desire. Jim Shooter, great director, no idea. Doesn't bother me in the slightest either, but there we go. Right, let me clear this out of the way. Let's get the parts we need and get them built. Okay, so the parts we get supplied this time, and some screws, 2 of which we will need, the rest of which we will keep aside for possible use in the future if I lose any. Now the screws on this seem all to be the same. I've not encountered any that are wildly different, so I like that. I do like that. That seems well planned. So we are not using that bit yet. We are, however, using that bit, the palm that we've already built a couple of bits for and put together a little bit. It wasn't just one bit, no, there's a join there. This is sort of decorative piece. It's just going in there, filling in that sort of sunburst type design. And the 2 screws that hold that together, obviously, are going in the back there. One there. And one down there. I shall tighten these up down the line. Actually, I might as well tighten them up now, otherwise, you know, no point in not doing it while you're here. It's not like the video is going to be too long for you to keep tabs on for another 30 seconds, is it? All of this gauntlet build, at least so far, seems to be fairly smooth, fairly easy. It's still a little bit loose. I'll tighten them up a little bit more. This piece looks like it fits around there somewhere. There's some bits that join up, screw holes and things, so it definitely fits on there, but obviously not yet. That's the continuation where the thumb's going to go. It's got some nice texturing and weathering on there, but we're not told not to put that on there yet, so I won't. I'll keep that aside. Next time we're going to be doing something else. Notice it's got a hole through there. That's a bit misplaced, that hole, but I'm sure something will cover it over and make it look nice at the end. So is that so far so good? Thank you for watching. Join me for other part work builds throughout the week, and I'll see you for more of this in a couple of days. So stay safe. Bye bye for now.